Welcome to a Cedar Home Library tutorial video, all about ebooks and how to use them offline, downloading files onto your electronic device. If you need help searching for an ebook, please refer to the video linked in the description. It will help you learn how to use the basic and advanced search functions within Homes. Ebooks come in various formats from PDF full text to e-publications and open source. You may have the option to do a full download of a copy of an ebook. By clicking this link, you will then see that you have the ebook download details, which you can then borrow the book for up to 7 days. If you only need it for 1 or 2 days, you can then click 1. Then you choose your download format from PDF to e-publication. This will require you to have Adobe Digital Editions or the equivalent installed. For more information, see the EBSCO video linked in the description below. Now when you've finished your searching, you can click the link on any ebook that you desire. So from the search page, you will then select the book you would like to view by clicking the blue link above the book. Once loaded, the first thing you will see is the online viewer, where you will be able to see the title page and then even read through the entire book online. In this sidebar to the left of the page, you will be able to see the ebook availability. Some have a limited number of copies, while others are unlimited, such as this book here. For this reason, it is best to observe the following directions. In this sidebar, you will be able to see the breakdown of the parts and the chapters that are included. There will be an option for downloading the various chapters on the left-hand side of the page, in the same line as the parts and chapters. While in the online viewer, you may also want to search for terms inside the book. By clicking on the Search tab, you may search within. By searching for a specific term inside the book, you will then see relevant pages that are related. Once you find what you're looking for, you may then click on it and it will automatically take you to that page. You may also want to take notes inside the ebook by clicking New Note. If you would like to save this for another time, you may also add this to your folder. This may be accessed over here on the top right-hand side of the page. Once you've found the specific pages you're looking for, you can download the pages by selecting Print, Download, or Email Pages, found at the top of the page. By clicking here, you will see that there are a limited number of pages you may download. This is not limited to the page numbers themselves, but the number of pages you can download at once. So we will either select the current page to the next pages, so we can type in a number there, and say we need the next 50 pages. Or we may just want to download the specific section. Once you select the chapter or the following pages you desire, select the Save button, and it will automatically initiate the download. For other books, the viewer may not automatically pop up. In this case, select one of the options on the left side of the page to retrieve the catalog item. You may be redirected to EOS, where you'll find the link to download the full PDF. So within this entry, you'll see under URL the access to the full PDF text. By clicking here, you will then see the full ebook available for download. If the book you seek is unavailable, you may select the full text finder and submit an ILL for the book or journal here. Follow the directions on the form and then press Submit. Please allow for up to 5 business days to retrieve your items. Journal articles should come in anywhere from 2 to 5 days, while ILL physical books can take up to 2 weeks. Please plan your projects accordingly for the best results. This has been a Cedar Home Library tutorial video. Please be sure to study, research, and investigate. There are so many options that you have at your fingertips. If you get lost, you can always start a new search. And when you find the resources you need, remember to save them to your folder. If you need help searching for an ebook, please refer to the video links in the description. Happy searching!